This is the screen that you'll be brought to. You can see your opportunity name is up here at the top, and then you can see your buyers are directly underneath. We have the details tab, our buyer profile, documents, offers, commissions, which is grayed out, notes, and timeline. Stay following these videos to understand how to access your commissions. Also at the top, we have our opportunity ID. If you name your opportunity incorrectly, you may be asked by compliance or the MCA office for this opportunity ID so that they can find your transaction. So please make sure that we are naming this correctly. So for this transaction, I did go ahead and decide that my buyers have found a property they liked, so I just pulled it up in the MLS. They're going to go with this one. So right now we still are in the active showing stage, but now we've actually found a property we like. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this pencil icon to edit this general information box, and you'll see quite a few more fields than we saw before. So the first thing I want to do is change this opportunity name. I'm just going to delete that, and I'm going to go over here and copy the address from the MLS, and notice how I am copying the city, state, and zip code as well, just because there might be more than 123 Main Street. So I pasted the opportunity address here, or sorry, the property address here, left buyer at the end. My contacts are the same, but my opportunity phase is now at, we'll say it's still active, but we're in negotiations. I'm going to skip this information down here, but you are more than welcome to fill it in if you would like. The last thing I'm going to check is the commission rate, which is down here at the bottom. So we can see it's 2.5% minus $395. So I'm going to go ahead and update my commission rate with just the percentage, not the dollar amount. And I'm going to save it. Next, we need to go into this property box here, and we'll click on this pencil icon to add in this property. So since I already have the address copied, I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. Otherwise, if you start typing the address, it will pop up for you to click on. And then we can click on Save. Please know that if you're doing an opportunity for a property that is not listed in the MLS or KWLS, you will not be able to find it here unless it was previously listed. Next, we have our buyer profile tab. If your buyers are using your KW app, remember the consumer app, not Kelly, anything that they do in their buyer guide will also show here for you. Obviously, Brian and Betty are not using the app, so we can skip over that. Next, we have our documents. The first thing I want to do is pick my checklist type. So this is going to be a residential purchase, and we're probably going to use the as is, but just notice it says with repairs or as is, meaning that can be either type of contract. We also have vacant land, new construction, or referral. So I'm going to go ahead and choose residential, and we can see that I have a consultation folder and an under contract folder. We will not be working in the closed folder. My Start a Transaction button here will take me to DocuSign. Next, we have our offers. This is where you will add in an offer, and that's going to be the details of your contract, the accepted contract. You can also use this Offers tab to compare multiple offers. We have our Commissions tab here, which we'll be able to see after we create an offer. We also can add notes if we need to. This is really great if you have assignees from your team or maybe your admin. You can chat here in notes, and then we can also see the timeline. So we can see exactly what changes have been made in this opportunity. Again, this is a great tool if there's more than one account working in this opportunity, meaning that there is more than one assignee.